Hey there, and welcome back to CryptoNinjas, bringing you the best crypto content. Today, we're talking Pum.Fun, the Solana launchpad that's basically a meme coin casino on steroids. If you ever dreamed of launching your own meme token in under a minute and watching it moon, or rock, this is your jam. Buckle up, because we're spilling the tea on its insane live stream feature that's got everyone from influencers to rappers in a frenzy. Hit that like button if you're ready to pump, and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for more crypto contents. Let's go. But before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe to Crypto Ninjas, and use our Binance referral code for 20% off trading fees and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you very much. First, what is Pump.Fun? Well, launched in January 2024 on the Solana blockchain, it's a token launch app where anyone, yes, you and me, can create a meme coin for basically pocket change, like $5. No coding, no pre-sales, just upload a goofy image and slap on a name like Fartcoin, for example, and boom, your token is now worth $1 billion. Well, nah, it's not that simple. First, your token needs to hit $69,000 market cap, nice, to be listed on a DEX or a decentralized exchange. Then crypto people need to be absolutely mental to buy your token and pump it to Valhalla, or we call it degen in the trenches. If not, well, you can always create a new one. There are over 11 million tokens launched so far, raking in nearly $800 million in fees for the platform. It's the Wild West of crypto, where 99 of the coins flop, but the 1% that go viral, well, they print money. Lots of money. So if you want to know how to find that 1% runner, pay attention because I'm going to spill the beans. Gotcha. But seriously though, if you have any tips, let me know. For a while, Pumpfun feels dead. There are still activities, but definitely not as much as before. Then they release the live stream feature. This bad boy lets anyone go live right on Pump.Fun website while at the same time launching their own token. Creators earn fees from trade volumes on or even off stream, turning it into a high stakes game show. A little bit of a history time. So, this feature was actually launched back in 2024, but oh boy, did it go off the rails fast. By November 2024, streams were flooded with not safe for work contents, from threats of violence to racist rants for shock value, even self harm or animal abuse if their coin did not moon. It was a mad show, drawing massive backlash from media and the community. So Pump.Fun had to slam the brakes. Livestream is shut down indefinitely for moderation infrastructure upgrades. The founder, Alan, straight up said that they took down hundreds of streams, but the damage was done. Fast forward to April 2025. They relaunched it, this time smarter, rolling it out to just 5% of users first, with industry standard moderation. No more glorifying violence, animal cruelty, or illegal stuff. Zero tolerance. But here's the twist: not safe for work content? Well, it's still allowed if it's not crossing those lines. It's 18 plus only, assuming some content will be not safe for work. Now it's back with guidelines, clip sharing for virality, and even Pump.Fun funding big streamer projects. So, are we good? Well, not quite. But it sure attracted activities back to the platform. Streamers earning good fees, traders having something live to bet on. I mean, adrenaline. They call it the creator capital markets, calling in all creators to stream on Pump Fun and make banks. I mean, seriously, you can make a few thousands to a few hundred thousands of dollars in trading fees if you're interesting enough for the viewers to buy your token. But that's where things are complicated, being interesting. Pump.Fun streamers be doing crazy stuffs for their viewers, as more views equals more money. The money is so good that even influencers, game pros are streaming on Pump.Fun. We've also seen insane clips turning nobodies into crypto kings overnight. First, we've got the crypto heavyweights jumping in. Alex Bagger, the YouTube with millions of subs, crashed the site in his first stream, launching Stream Season Token. It rocketed from 0 to $17 million in market cap in just 10 minutes, drawing like 2,000 live viewers, and made him over $300,000 in trading fees. But the plot twist, Becker donated all of it to small streamers. Say what you want about Alex, but that's honestly very generous. Then there's also Kind token, designed to donate 100% of its fees to the people in need, especially small streamers and creators facing financial struggles. It has collected over $180,000 in fees, with more than $20,000 already donated, often announced live on Pump.Fun streams for transparency and community impact. This approach has driven its market cap to a peak of $45 million. Now, in my personal opinion, this token should go to the billions, given how this kid is truly the Mr. Beast of 2025. But honestly, if this kid rugs this token, I'm losing faith in crypto trenders forever. Well, just kidding. I don't have any to begin with. Next, we have Tech Lead, the ex Google developer who also jumped on the Pumpfun train. He previously was known for rocking his community with his own token Million, but this time, I don't know, man. He's an ex Google dev and has millions of subs on YouTube. He wouldn't do us bad twice, right? Now, in the true Pump Fun tradition, we've got real bangers for you guys. First is Bag Work, created by the 19-year-old duels. One dude is Chris, either left or right, I don't know. They've got real fight for your back vibes. These kids went nuclear with their stunts. One ran onto the Dodger Stadium during a Dodgers game. Again, could be Chris or the other one. Then the other kid got slapped on stream by the gym bro Bradley Martin after snatching his hat. This clip went mega viral, millions of views. But the crown jewel, well, they leaked unreleased Drake and Future's tracks live, even claiming Drake DM'd them. This got the rapper furious, and because of these, Backwork token hit $53 million market cap at the all-time high, netting them over $230,000 in fees so far. Insane? Yes. Genius marketing? Absolutely. They are the face of true creator capital markets. Stunts equal pumps, baby. We also have Genzi, a seasoned crypto influencer, made over $10 million back in 2021, but now has lost most of his earnings. While streaming his token on Pump.Fun, he accidentally, quote unquote, fat fingered a sell button that nuked his token 99% from $4.6 million in market cap to just $12,000. He pocketed $168,000 quick, sparking debates on rugs versus mistakes. Arkham Intelligence called BS, but Genzi blamed Pump.Fun's app. And finally, we have probably one of the funniest ones so far, a 120 hours token, which was launched by a disabled developer named Connor. There is no big stunts, just raw storytelling live, sharing his journey, his fight against cancer, and that he only has about 120 hours left to live, and all of the fees would go to his family. He even claimed that he did not know what a rug was, but yeah, then he rugged and went offline. But the story did not end here. Connor is blaming Sahil for this. Who is Sahil? If you know, you know. Apparently, Sahil tricked him into going on stream while Sahil has control of his wallet and his tokens and everything. And now he's going to launch his own coin this time. No Sahil evolved. But then how do you
Oh my
explain
god.
you showing you Loki just got farms laughing emoji on your stream then, Connor? Is Shahil controlling your computer too? I don't know, man. He seems like a genuine guy and he's disabled, so he wouldn't do us bad twice, right? So the big question is, should you dive into Pump.Fun live streams, creator tokens? I mean, yeah, at the end of the day, it's just another meme token on Pump.Fun, so keep it light, fun, manageable, and always remember, just because they appear to not able to use their hands doesn't mean they can't rug you. And that's it for today's video about Pump.Fun livestream. I think there's going to be hype around this for a while, meaning there are still opportunities to find an entertaining, unique streamer to invest and possibly make a fortune. I hope you guys can actually find it. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and comment down below what you think about Pump.Fun live streams. Use our referral code for Binance for 20% off trading fees and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and daily out.